Hey guys, welcome to another Graphic Sauce Media video. Today we are going to be taking the next step in the new PC build series that we started forever ago. If you're interested in actually seeing what the parts that we used and the kind of the outline and things like that, the overview if you will, the link is in the description as well as it'll be up here in this card. That'll take you back to that video so you can watch that one. This video, however, is going to be us actually constructing the computer. So in this video, we're actually not going to be testing any of the speeds or any of the performance or anything like that. This is purely the actual build video. We'll come back and test it out and kind of give you guys some, not necessarily specs, but kind of give you our overall observation and review of the system later on down the line after we've had some time to use the system. So today, all we're going to be doing is working on building the actual computer itself, making sure it runs, obviously, and turns on, powers on, and all that stuff. But I wanted to share this with you guys and kind of continue on the series. So let's take a look. So this is the second part of a three-part process. We're going to be building the actual PC in this video. If you're looking for specifics on the actual parts themselves, you can check the video up linked in the description as well as in the corner here. Goes through every single part that we purchased and kind of compares them to the previous build that we had. So with that being said, I'm going to welcome in my guest. This is my dad, Matt. Say hi to YouTube.
Hi.
And all 5 subscribers.
I'm one of them.
Well, say hi to the other four. Say hi to the other 4 people. All right, so I've never built a computer before. Watched plenty of YouTube videos on how to do it, so I brought you in as the expert to kind of make sure I don't blow anything up and ruin what's on the table. So lots of pressure. With that being said though, if this is the only video that you've watched or if you're using this as kind of like a jumping off point, I would highly recommend looking into other sources as well just to make sure that you've got your ducks in a line. Don't use this video, since I'm not the professional here, as your only source of information. So with that being said, what do we do first?
We clear off the table and sounds good.
No, don't do that. All right, so let's
put it in my car.
Right. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. Let's
move all the stuff
move
off.
all the stuff off.
We'll start with the motherboard.
Alright guys, so that's the video for today. I really appreciate you watching. Special thanks goes out to my dad for coming all the way down to help me build this thing. I really do appreciate it. It's going to look great in the office, and I'm really kind of looking forward to using it as my main workstation. But it was great kind of getting my hands dirty and actually working on something that I've never done before. And you know, you get to build something with your dad. You can't go wrong with that. So anyway, really appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell icon so you can get notified whenever we put new videos up. We'll be continuing this series later on this month, where we actually kind of come in and talk about how the system's working, what we would change, what we like about it, and just kind of give you an overview about the system and how it's functioning. So look forward to that. Like I said, make sure you get subscribed. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions or anything like that. And we will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.